I'm Craig Bruns, Chief Curator at the Independence Seaport Museum. We're aboard the USS Olympia here, and it was aboard this ship that Admiral Dewey flew for the first time his Admiral flag. Now that flag today is in the collection of the museum, and it's really in poor condition. It's very old and needs help. Fortunately, the John Quincy Adams Foundation of the Founders and Patriots of America have provided us funds to be able to take care of that flag. After George Dewey's victory in the Battle of Manila Bay, he was awarded by Congress. He was given the rank of Admiral, the first ever since the Civil War admirals. His flag that he flew was 13 feet by 10 feet, very large. Please join us in this 4-part series of the conservation of this American treasure.